Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we will be addressing a common problem faced by many users to automate email reminders from participants. In this video, we are going to send reminder emails 30 minutes before the start of your course and events. However, we automate this process and send reminders at a specific time and date extracted from a Google Sheet containing participant information. To solve this problem, I'll guide you through step by step this automation and demonstrate how it works. So let's get started. To do this, I just using this Google Sheet search row module for searching that specified event or course which is going to be happened after 30 minutes. So in this Google Sheet search row modules, after applying this on dashboard, you just needs to establish the connection between Google Sheet and Mac.com. So to do so, just click add icon and establish the connection between this Google Sheet and Mac.com. After this, you will be appear all of this configuration fields like that. You just need to select from Drive. You just need to select the spreadsheet which you want to extract the information about the participants. And here you need to select the sheet name as your sheet is holds. After configuring this, here you can apply a filter and sort orders and so on. So I just recommended to leave these fields empty. After configuring this module, just click OK to save your all changes. After doing this, you can apply a for filter out only that course or event which is going to be held after 30 minutes. So to do so, I just applying the two filters with the AND operator over here. So in the first condition, I applied on the date time. I'm quickly showing you how looks my Google Sheet is. So this is my test Google Sheet in which I just put the course, test course A and B, email address, date, time, and so on. So basically, we are going to send a reminder for which event is held going to be after 30 minutes. So to do so, I just using this date time, which holds the date and time of course or event. I just pass date. I am using this pass date function to pass this particular date and time coming from my Google Sheet into this format: month, day, year, hours, minute, and AM, PM, and applying the date time operator over here. The date In this date time operator, I select this earlier than operator to this now 8 minutes 30. So applying the 8 minutes on now time, it means that from now it's added the 30 minutes. It's returning the 30 minutes later date or time from now. So it's comparing that date time is 30, earlier than 30 minutes from now, and applying the pass date on the date time with this format. So basically, I'm applying that particular filter is to filter out from now this date. After applying these filters, you are good to go to filter out the events which is going to be held on 30 minutes later. And I just set it the variables to show you you can add any other modules to send an email or send a message on WhatsApp or any other service you want to apply. You can add here by searching by clicking on this add another modules and search for that application. If you want to add the Gmail, you can select the Gmail or WhatsApp or anything you want with this scenario like that. So let's try to run this once and see that what exact bundle is passed through with this and sending an email or reminder to that participant. Let's try to run this once. So here you can see that this particular Google Sheet search raw model is returning with some output bundles with courses, email, date, times, and all the columns in my Google Sheet. So here you can see that this particular date time or this course date time is holds 24th of May 2023, 5 p.m. So and it's 4:51. So it means that it should be the reminder for on this email address. So here you can see that our filter is work perfectly with this date and time is passed through with this filter just because the date time is 30 minute is less than 30 minutes from now and greater than from now date. So this bundle is first row bundle is passed through with this filter and this filter is not passed just because this condition is not passed. So here you can see that this send an email only once for the first one. So let's set the variable email with this email address. So clarify that which rows or which course is sent as a reminder. So I just set it the course and email address over here. So let's try to run this once again and see this will set it correctly or not. So you can see that this returning with the two bundles as we have the two rows in our Google Sheet with this first this email address and the second is this email address. So and from this filter, this pass through is the bundle one and set it the filter for this A as an course name and this as an email address. So you can apply any other services like Gmail, WhatsApp, and so on to remind that particular persons like that. So I just put, let's try to put this, send an email address, and here you can apply like that email address fields. Email is coming from our Google Sheet. Subject is you can modify the subject like that and put the variable coming from your previous modules also. After doing this, you are good to go to sending a reminder 30 minutes before started the course or event. Now we have successfully created an automation that sends email reminder to course participant based on the data in our Google Sheet. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more automation tutorials. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy automating.